welcome back to the next part in my cycling adventure. And we are just arriving in Bologna. So we were here in Pescara and we took the train up to Bologna. Now, there was a reason why we wanted to go to Bologna, and that was to see my friends, Chi and Francesco, which these guys here. And I had met them before. I'd met them before in Australia, which is a story I will tell another day. We stayed with them maybe 1 week, maybe a bit less. And in Bologna, we relaxed. We drank a beer. We played board games. We went to the beach. Not this beach, obviously. I just don't have any photos. We went to San Marino, which is a country inside of Italy, which is here. And get rid of this. And we bought the important cable. We bought a link cable so me and Joe could exchange Pokemon, obviously. Now, I think, as I said before, we stayed 1 week, but time was running out for us. And so we needed to move on quite quickly. And so we were in Bologna. And the plan was to cycle all the way up to The Hague, take a ferry, take a boat, draw this. So take a boat across to Harwich, I believe it's called, and then cycle back to Norwich. Now, first off, we cycled to this place called Lake Como. Lake Como is here. A stunning place with lakes and surrounding mountains, and we cycled alongside it until we had to go inland, and up through the mountains of Switzerland. Now, so we arrived in Switzerland and we had to cross bridges. We had to, here's some more bridges here. We had to climb up mountains, which is here. And this is me at the top, right at the top of one of the mountains, a big mountain too. And we also saw some stunning lakes as well, like this one. Now, after Switzerland, we were running out of time. Time was pretty small because Joe had to go back to work. And so we had very long days, very quick days cycling. And it was made helpful because we were cycling along the river. This is the river here. And we were cycling along here, or another river here. And we were cycling, along here. And everything was very flat. And so cycling was very easy because it was flat like this, not hilly like this, no. And we covered a big distance very quickly. And we are nearly reaching the actual end of our trip. And so this part of the journey from just after Switzerland through Germany and into Holland, and maybe a little bit of France, I can't remember, was very quick, or a lot quicker than before, because the roads were flat and we were cycling long days and cycling quite quickly because of the flat roads. And in the next part, we will finally arrive in Holland and finally get back to Norwich, where we would have completed our journey. See you then. Bye.